Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to quickly merge multiple PDF files into one. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Here, we have 3 PDF files that we want to combine and merge into one. For this example, let's merge a resume containing 2 pages, a cover letter, and a certificate containing 1 page each. So there are a total of 4 pages to merge. Let's see how we can easily do this using an online tool. For this, we will be using ILovePDF.com. It's free, easy to use, and doesn't require any signups. So head over to ILovePDF.com or click on the link in the description. As you can see, this website has all the tools you might need to do the tasks related to PDFs. Since we want to merge PDFs, click on the option Merge PDF. Now, click on Select PDF files to choose the PDF files or just drag and drop the PDF files you want to merge. Once your files are uploaded, you will see a preview of them. If needed, you can rearrange the order of the files by simply dragging them around. Just click on a PDF and drag to change its order. Once you are happy with the order, just click on Merge PDF. In a few seconds, your newly merged PDF will be ready and the PDF will be downloaded automatically. If the automatic download does not begin, you can click on Download Merged PDF to download the merged file, and this will download the PDF file to your PC. Let's open the PDF file we downloaded. Here is the PDF we just created containing a cover letter, 2 pages of resume, and a certificate. We have successfully combined the 3 PDFs into a single document. Quick and easy.
And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.